It was on attempt 7. I made a video about it on YouTube if you're interested in that. It's also clipped, yeah, you should see my clippies. I can't really send it to you right now because I'm on the phone.
Isn't it on exclamation mark 5K?
No, I didn't make it. Ricky!
Oh, okay. I thought it was.
Oh, never mind. I can just ask Ricky to fix everything in my life. Ricky.
That's kind of interesting. And ABM
Yeah, thanks. Do you have it yourself as well? I didn't know you played RuneScape. Oh, it's getting worse. My accent is getting worse. Are you talking to me, you mug?
Oh. You're from India.
I think it's kind of cool that we don't have to pay attention to anything. We're just literally following them. They tell us where to go.
So the next stream you are in charge, huh?
Dude, this is impossible. How do you read chat? Watch
Then
the stream?
that's why you bring your second person. That's the...
Yeah. I actually... Thanks. I wanted to bring Gaia on an adventure as well and give her like this little backpack that she can bring like the supplies with her. She has a
That would be
duty.
super smart.
Yeah. Yes. Max already. Cool. Do you have an Ironman, by the way?
Do you have a hardcore Ironman, by the way?
Wow. Ultimate Ironman.
IRL streaming, adventuring, exploring, and geocaching.
We're at some houses. Right now.
That would be awesome.
We can only go 15 kilometers per hour here.
Oh shit.
I think there should be.
Ironman is not your thing. I see.
It's an acquired taste.
It's harder to
Yeah.
angle the thing. Angle this thing with
Too
the
spicy.
cement attached to it.
This is twinning.
You are holding the
Those people are twinning
better.
with their cars.
Was it great having that thing? Oh, okay.
Exclamation mark hiccup.
Yes.
Look at all of those chickens!
Oh, let's steal.
And lots of birds as well over there.
Yeah.
So, shouldn't have said that.
Sure.
Oh my.
No, you need to.
I want chicks.
But those are like tiny vogels, and you hate vogels.
Yeah, they are scary.
No, you want a kitten.
Yeah.
Awesome to hear that, ABM.
Guys, thank you so much for supporting his channel.
That's
very
I wanna,
nice.
yep, there we go. I wanted to swap that. It's harder. It's harder to aim to click the button. There we go. Chickens, yes. So it seems like there's a little bit of a delay, a longer delay than I thought it was going to be. All right, what way do we have to go? Left.
Sometimes I just reset stream.
All right.
Yes?
Yeah, because
Now or like at home?
no, like if I'm doing IRLing, I just did it one more time as well, and then you're gonna be like gone for 2 or 3 seconds,
Yes.
and then the delay is like perfect again.
Ah, I see.
Because sometimes I don't know.
We're walking on the wrong side of the road there.
All those houses, the cows. Oh, there's doggo.
Doggo.
I already pet a couple of doggos today. Hi, doggo.
Really nice car actually coming in.
Right. You see that a lot here?
No, not really.
Did you see the arrogance on his face?
Yes. Oh, it was like, I said, oh, nice car approaching. He looked at me like,
Yeah, what the fuck?
I think your arrogance goes up if you buy a more expensive car, right?
Yeah, I think so as well.
Yeah. It was Ducky in the car.
That's actually a really nice Ferrari.
Yeah.
But most of the streamers you follow are Dutch. That's really freaking interesting. Why did you choose Dutch streamers?
Oh.
Are we close already?
I'm wondering that as well. Are we getting
Here's
closer?
the pod.
15 years, okay.
back from dinner. Nice.
Is that a
Okay.
Lamborghini?
Ice cream?
I think it was a Ferrari, right?
¿Qué sabor chata?
Me not really.
Do we want ice cream? No?
Me not really.
Oh my gosh.
Me no like the ice cream.
You're crazy.
Yes, I am. Hey, if you want some ice cream, go get some. I'm not stopping you. I'm not stopping you.
Never mind. I thought we were on the same level.
I think the next collaboration is cancelled now. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, because I don't like ice cream. All right.
Exactly.
All right.
To the left.
To the left here. Oh,
I think, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I see it already.
really?
You're
Oh,
such an
no.
experienced one.
Sorry.
It's somewhere here.
I'm
I
not gonna
don't.
take it.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I found it already.
You want to look,
Let
Johan?
other people search.
Yeah?
Yeah. I will.
You can also search.
No, I will get the stick. Let's
I
go.
feel like such a flip.
That's part of the fun, right?
Did you also see Robin?
No.
Okay, good.
I didn't really look yet, so I don't know.
Maybe you already walked past
But
it.
you saw it, so it must.
His name is Bart.
His name is Bart. That's funny because I see it as well. Yep.
Oh, now I know where to look.
That's cheating.
Oh, I see it as well. Now you.
Wait, what? Now I'm oblivious.
They stream very late. Yeah, true. That's true.
You don't see it?
Does the stream see it as well now? You don't see it from here, I don't think. Oh, wait, why is it not angling? There we go.
We're still trying to find the caching. Did you see
No,
it?
I don't see it. I'm
look
blind.
for it.
You're not
No,
seeing it.
no, I'm not seeing it. But it's. I should see it, like from here. And now I feel really stupid.
I had the same.
Yeah. So you just grab it, and then
I grab it?
Yeah, you grab it. Ah,
There's Bart.
Yeah.
Isn't he there?
where's the dwarf?
Is he taken?
I was
Maybe
trying
he
to
hung
find
himself
Bart.
from the bridge.
So
Maybe he hang himself
every
on the
cache-
bridge. Oh my god.
is accompanied by a dwarf.
Yeah, you never know. True.
Wouters have feelings too.